Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got fresh red cabbage, farmer's market tomatoes and cucumbers, celery and carrots, black olives, and for the protein, chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and some lovely yellowfin tuna. Dress it up with olive oil and vinegar, and you're gonna have a killer protein fiber salad. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Sometimes you just gotta eat healthy, and this is the best way to do it. You'll get your protein, and you'll get your fiber, and you'll get all the nutrients in all these foods. And I guarantee I have a video on why you should eat every one of these healthy foods that'll tell you what they're loaded with in terms of nutrition and flavor. Let's put this baby together. Let me go prep those veg like that. Do the cucumber. Let's put these in the bowl. How about we chop up the celery, carrots? Just put them in the bowl. Nice. Oh yeah, what we're gonna do? Eat it. Put it in the bowl. There we go. All right, let's get these tomatoes done. Wait, how did those get in there? I'm gonna put them in a bowl. All right, just like this. I'm gonna mix these up though, get everything all nice and mixy schmixy, because we're gonna add the other stuff. This is a beast. Here's the black olives. That's a lot, not all of them. Mix them up. All right, let's get these chickpeas in here, as many as possible. Mix this up a little. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It's gonna be killer diller. I'm gonna add some really good tuna. Here's the tuna. You gotta break it up because it's pretty chunky, which is nice. A little of the oil is really tasty oil. So let's mix that up. Let's add a little salt. Not a lot. Load it up with pepper. And peppers. This is red wine vinegar. And we're gonna give that a good dose. A couple tablespoons. This is extra virgin olive oil. There you go. That's what they're talking about. Looks good. Let's give it a little lemon. There you go. That'll tang it up. All right, let's give it the old mixy schmixy. If you need more dressing, add more. Don't overdo it in the beginning because you can't take it out. Let's take a big bite. There's your close-up. All right, there's one more close-up of it. Killer protein and fiber salad made with all these fresh, delicious ingredients. So killer, you gotta eat it with a spoon. Oh boy. Flavor bomb. Oh, that tuna is prevalent. It's crunchy with this cabbage and cukes. Tomatoes are sweet. You get those chickpeas, you get those black olives. Everything's fresh and delicious. Try something like this. You don't have to always have a fried egg or a cheeseburger. For more videos like this, healthy videos, check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
And then dress this mess. There we go. Talk about chewy, crunchy. Oh, that'll taste too. There's a lot going on. A sweet bubble. Wow. Now, make sure your jaw's in good shape. There's a lot of chewing involved, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Mute.